Portable metal bandsaw is a versatile cutting tool used for efficiently cutting metal materials. It typically consists of a motorized unit with a durable blade wrapped around two wheels. This type of saw enables you to unlock precise and accurate cuts in various metal materials, including steel, aluminum. When choosing a portable metal bandsaw, here are a few factors to consider. 1. Power. Look for a saw with sufficient power to handle your intended cutting tasks. Higher wattage or horsepower readings generally indicate better cutting capabilities. 2. Blade size and TPI. Consider the desired blade size and teeth per inch TPI for your specific cutting needs. Thicker materials generally require lower TPI for more efficient cutting, while thinner materials may benefit from a higher TPI for smoother cuts. 3. Portability. Check the weight and dimensions of the saw to ensure it's easily portable. Look for features like a sturdy carrying handle or lightweight construction to make it more convenient to move around. 4. Cutting capacity. Consider the maximum cutting depth and width that the saw can handle. This will determine the size of metal pieces you can cut. 5. Safety features. Look for features like blade guards, trigger locks, and adjustable blade speed controls for added safety during operation. 6. Durability and build quality. Consider the construction, materials used, and overall build quality of the saw to ensure it can withstand heavy-duty use and last longer. 7. Price and brand. Compare prices and consider reputable brands that offer good customer support, warranties, and spare parts availability. Remember to read customer reviews and seek expert advice when making a purchase. That'll ensure you choose the best portable metal bandsaw for your specific needs.